Nanian is a big fan of reality show Terrace House. This waterfall featured in one of Terrace House episode. Shiraito waterfall standing 3 meters high and 70 meters wide. In Japanese, the waterfall is called Shiraito no Taki. It means the waterfall of white threads. The water drape over surface does looks like white curtain.
Kalau haus di sini, kata Ibu Citra boleh minum. Aman ya, udah dicoba ya. Coba. Sama air minum pegunungan Bogor enakan mana?
Enak ini sejuk.
Aku gak kalah ya. Air zam-zam?
Enggak sih, di benang air zam-zam.
Masya Allah. Coba.
Oh iya juga ada ya kalau untuk
Sing, coba. Sok.
The source of the water that fills Yukawa River is the rainfall on Mountain Asama. This place is very popular around late October. There's bus between Karuizawa Station and Shiraito Waterfall. The journey takes 25 minutes, 720 yen one way. Lucky for Nanian, her friend drove her here. Autumn in Karuizawa is very beautiful. Thank you, Terrace House. Nanian won't know this place without it. It is easy to go there from Tokyo. Nanian chose direct train to Karuizawa Station. She sent her big luggage to the last hotel in Tokyo and only bring one big backpack to Karuizawa. Joetsu is the next destination.
Ya, sini. Kita mau makan es krim di Joetsu. Konon katanya es krim terenak namanya Sonyare. Let's see how it tastes.
This video has been in Nanian's hard disk for 6 years. She has completely forget about this place. At that time, her friend only has one daughter. Now she's no longer live in Japan and has 2 kids.
Ada puding juga kak. Apa yang enak ya? Yang black sesame. Rasa orang tua banget sis.
Tapi itu enak kita aja. Yang kayaknya
Mana sih sih?
ada kalau di sana. Kalau itu ada rasa beras kopi, rasa kopi.
Apa tuh? Arigatou gozaimasu. Yeay. Ayo kita makan.
This is the scenery of small town in Japan. Rural area is the best for people who love driving. There is no traffic jam. Very peaceful. The downside is, sometime you have to go to other city to buy something because the store is unavailable in your area.
Juga
Macam kue bugis kan ya? Bugisnya di Indonesia. Tapi ini dibungkusnya bukan pakai daun pisang.
Daun apa ini?
Kayaknya daun bambu ya. Terus nggak tahu ini hijau-hijaunya tuh dari daun apa. Rasanya rasa khas daun gitu.
Di sini mah itu mulu ya, apa kacang merah ya buat isian.
Namanya
Isi kelapa tuh yang enak. Paling enak.
The little camera person records Nanian sort things in her bag. On the next day, Nanian's friend gave her short city tour. To be honest, Nanian also forget this part. One thing for sure, food is important in every journey. Living in Joetsu feels like J-drama. That's what Nanian thought at that time. Hatternuan, Citra.